Hi everyone, welcome to our course. My name is Mmmm, your professional Chinese teacher. Today our course is about coffee shop. We're going to learn new characters and new words related to it, and will be very useful, especially if you're living or traveling in China. Anyway, let's start our course today. So first of all, we should look at these three new characters we have learned before. 咖啡, which means coffee, both flattened, translated from the English pronunciation. 咖啡 cafe, and 店 we have learned shop or store. 咖啡店 read after me. 咖啡店 and then first of all we have black coffee. 黑咖啡 黑 black 黑咖啡黑咖啡 and cappuccino 卡布奇诺卡布奇诺 again is translated from the pronunciation, and I think you will be understood just using this cappuccino. And then latte 拿铁咖啡拿铁咖啡 hot chocolate 热 hot 热 first turn 巧克力 this is how we say chocolate 巧 third turn 克 first turn 力 fourth turn 热巧克力热巧克力 coffee creamer 咖啡伴侣 in Chinese this is partner, so coffee partner is the cream that you must add it. 咖啡伴侣咖啡伴侣 and then mocha 摩卡咖啡摩卡咖啡 Expresso 浓缩咖啡浓缩咖啡 instant coffee sorry 速溶咖啡速溶咖啡 read after me 速溶咖啡 and then coffee machine 咖啡机 we have learned G, which means machine 咖啡机 both flattened 咖啡机 and coffee cup 咖啡杯 both flattened 咖啡杯咖啡杯 and coffee pot 咖啡壶咖啡壶 flattened second turn 咖啡壶 and then to grind 打磨打磨打磨 grinder 打磨机 just add the machine after it 打磨机打磨机 and coffee powder 咖啡粉 so powder 粉 13 咖啡粉咖啡粉 and coffee beans 咖啡豆 beans 豆 first turn 咖啡豆咖啡豆 and then extra large cup 特大杯 extra 特 first turn 特大杯特大杯特 have the meaning of extra or special 特大杯 and large cup 大杯大杯 so large 大 first turn 大杯 medium cup 中杯中 medium 中杯中杯 and small cup 小杯小杯小杯 then cold drink 冷饮. Don't pronounce it into third tone because there's two third tones you pronounce. The first one to second tone. 冷饮 hot drink 热饮 first tone 热饮 and then milk 奶 third tone 奶 we have learned this before, and cocoa powder 可粉 you should pronounce two of them into second tone 可粉 because both of them have a third tone after it 可粉 honey 蜂蜜 and then sugar 糖 not tan 糖 second tone 糖. So this is a course day. We have learned a lot of new words and characters. Hope you can do some review, and don't forget to check the homework. Anyway, if you're interested in our course, please subscribe our channel, go through our website. If you have any suggestions, just comment below. I really want to hear from you. See you!